Hi everyone, I am really happy you are here. In this video, we will learn English in a simple and natural way. We will not focus on difficult rules or grammar. Instead, we will speak, listen, and practice English just like we do in daily life. Imagine we are having a friendly chat. That is exactly how we will learn English here. We will talk about small things first, like greetings, daily actions, food, school, and home. I will give you short sentences, and you can repeat after me. You will see that English is not as hard as it seems. When you speak, even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes are part of learning, and I will help you step by step. During each chapter, we will practice speaking together. You can speak out loud with me, and soon you will start using English naturally in your daily life. We will also listen to simple conversations and short stories. By repeating and practicing, you will remember words and sentences easily. English will feel like a friend you can talk to every day. So get ready to speak, listen, and have fun. Keep a notebook, repeat after me, and do not worry about mistakes. Every small step you take in speaking English brings you closer to confidence. Let's enjoy learning English together. One sentence at a time. Now let's start. Chapter 1. Speak first, worry about rules later. We will start learning English in a simple way. You do not need to know all the rules. Speaking is more important than being perfect. Let us start with a small conversation. I say, hello, how are you? You can reply, I am fine, how are you? Try to speak slowly and clearly. If you make a mistake, it is okay. I will help you. Look at this example. I say, I go to school. You can also say, I went to school yesterday. Or I will go to school tomorrow. Do you see? You are using three tenses: present, past, and future. You do not need to study them separately. You can just speak and learn naturally. Now try to ask a question. I ask, what is your name? You can answer, my name is Sarah. Then you can ask me, what is your favorite color? I answer, my favorite color is blue. This way, conversation becomes easy. Remember, speaking English is like talking to a friend. You do not need perfect grammar. You need courage to speak. When you speak more, you learn more. When you listen more, you understand more. Practice every day. Speak about your day. You can say, I eat breakfast at 7. I walk in the park. I watch TV in the evening. Short sentences are enough. Mistakes are part of learning. Do not fear mistakes. Speak, listen, repeat. You will get better every day. Chapter 2. Everyday words you already know. Now, we will learn English using words you already know. You do not need difficult words. Simple words are enough for daily conversation. Look around you, you see many things. You can name them in English. For example, table, chair, book, pen, phone. Try to say these words aloud. Speak slowly and clearly. Now let us make small sentences. I say, this is a book. You can also say, this is my book, or I have a book, see. Just add small words to make sentences. We can also talk about food. I say, I eat rice. You can say, I eat rice every morning. Or I ate rice yesterday, or I will eat rice tonight. You are using simple words and three tenses naturally. Let us talk about home. I say, I live in a house. You can say, I live with my family. Or my house is big, or I will clean my house today. You see, daily words help you speak English easily. You can also talk about actions. I say I walk in the park. You can say I run in the morning, or I am reading a book. Short sentences are enough. Remember, learning English is not about hard rules. It is about using words in your life. Speak, listen, and repeat. Speak about your day, your food, your home, your actions. Every time you speak, you learn more. Practice makes your English strong. Use the words you know, and add small new words every day. English will become simple and friendly for you. Chapter 3. Ask, don't guess. Asking questions is very important in English. You do not need to know all the grammar. Simple questions help you speak and understand better. Let us start with a small conversation. I ask, what is your name? You answer, my name is Ali. Then you can ask me, where are you from? I answer, I am from India. See. Asking and answering is easy. You can also ask about time. For example, what time is it? Or when is the meeting? When someone answers, you listen and repeat. This helps you remember words naturally. Directions are useful too. You can ask, where is the bus stop? Or how do I go to the park? People will give simple answers, like go straight and turn left. You can repeat and learn. Asking about feelings is also important. You can ask, how are you today? Or are you happy? The answers help you learn new words. You can say, I am fine, or I am tired, or I am very happy. Short answers are enough. Do not worry about mistakes. You might say, where you go, instead of where are you going. It is okay, people will understand you. Every question you ask, you learn new words and phrases. Practice asking questions every day. Ask about names, time, directions, feelings, or food. Then answer naturally. Listening and repeating will make your English strong. Asking is better than guessing. If you do not know, ask. If you are curious, ask. Speaking and listening through questions is the easiest way to learn English. Chapter 4. Stories make English easy. Stories are a simple way to learn English. When you listen or tell stories, you learn new words, sentences, and ideas naturally. Let us start with a small story. I say I went to the market. I bought apples. They were fresh. You can repeat. I went to the market. I bought apples. They were fresh. See. Short sentences make the story easy. You can also make your own story. For example, I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to school. Use simple words about your day. You do not need long or difficult sentences. Stories help you practice different tenses. For example, past tense, I played football yesterday. Present tense, I play football every day. Future tense, I will play football tomorrow. By telling stories, tenses become natural. You can tell stories about home, school, or park. For example, my sister is reading a book. My father is cooking dinner. My friend is playing outside. Short, simple sentences are enough to practice daily English. Try to listen to stories in English too. You can repeat what you hear. This will help you speak naturally. You will learn new words and new ways to make sentences. Retelling stories in your own words is very helpful. Even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Every time you speak, your English improves. Practice stories every day. Start with small daily events. Then try longer stories. Speaking and listening through stories makes English easy and fun. Chapter 5. Practice makes conversation perfect. Practice is the key to learning English. Speaking a little every day is better than studying rules for hours. Start by talking about your day. You can say, I wake up at 6. I eat breakfast. I go to school. These short sentences help you speak naturally. You can also talk about your actions at home. For example, I am cooking dinner. I am cleaning my room. I am reading a book. Speak slowly and clearly. Listening is very important too. When you listen to English songs, videos, or podcasts, try to repeat what you hear. For example, if someone says, I like coffee, you can repeat, I like coffee. Repeating helps you remember words and sentences. Try to speak with friends or family. Ask simple questions. What are you doing? Where are you going? Then listen to their answers and respond naturally. Even talking to yourself is helpful. Describe what you are doing. I am walking in the park. I am drinking water. I am writing notes. Speaking aloud every day makes your English strong. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak, listen, repeat. Every day you will get better. Finally, make English a daily habit. Speak a little every morning and evening. Listen to English every day. Try small conversations wherever you go. Small steps every day will make your English natural and friendly. Practice, patience, and speaking every day will make your conversation perfect.